Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So officially done, okay? The break is officially done. Okay? Amazing break right there. Now the question is, can you fall down just a little bit for the retest and then go back up? That's something that I'm not sure about unless it does really happen. And one more thing is we have six more days to close Discord. I'm giving you free trades, right? I gave actually Bitcoin yesterday for absolutely free. We bought at 61K and now it's trading at 64 something. We're looking to sell it at 69 or 74K. And yes, if you want to know what the private is, you can even check the top right. Yesterday, again on the private, we're taking advantage of the pumps, okay? 20%, okay? Even if you come on Discord and you don't know what private really is, I do have the private frequently asked question. You can check this out and you can know what all is this about. So one of the question was, do you give trades every day? Not every day. But because I do not create the trades myself, but some days you can get 10 trades a day and sometimes one trade a month. But this is now the time where when you look at how the market is, okay, how the market situation really is, we're getting a lot of trades, okay? And that's why I'm saying September is a good idea. I just had given another 60% trade to my private members, which is about to take off as well. So it's a good entry, I think. So it's also breaking just similarly as Luna Classic is doing. But I find that as a good entry because it was retesting. So I'm buying at the retest. It's much safe. But for Luna Classic, we have one more pattern that we need to break above. So if I take the trend line and I drop in that resistance here, you can see that we are almost trying to get above this little bit of a double bottom going on. So I'm going to take the trend line, and if the double bottom does actually break out, you're going to see Luna Classic hopefully get back up here. And honestly, it should be coming up to 16,000 from 9,000 right now. And the reason why I say that is because this is the falling wedge, and the falling wedge technical target is actually 22,000. So I expect Luna Classic in the future to move up to 22,000 as well. So link for Discord is on the comment section, and that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.